Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. We're going to do a quick tutorial on how to create a hyperdoc. And so I'm going to show you from scratch. You're just going to open up a Google Doc. And then I would just do senior speech portfolio hyperdoc. Name it that. And then you can title it. So we'll add a title and we'll center it. Me being an English major, Times New Roman, 12-point font, it's a big deal for me, but you don't have to do that. So I'm gonna do a crafty little senior speech in a nutshell. Is gonna be my creative little title. And then you can insert a table. So if you are wanting to do, so you have to do 5 at least. So you could do a 9 table, and then you could add pictures into the table itself. And so maybe here I want to do in this first one, I want to do and you can title it what the title of your application essay. So maybe application essay. Maybe give a little background on what this essay means to you and your applications into college. So you could just do a quick summary, and then you can actually link it. And so maybe then you want to put your title of application essay. What's really nice is that you can highlight it. And so if you go back to your drive, you can go and find, so if I go to personal essay outline, I can actually go to this document, and then I can go to share, and I can get a shareable link. And I just hit copy the link, and then I go back to my hyperdoc. This is already highlighted, and then I can go, I'll right click, insert a link, apply. So now this is a link that I can click on, and it'll take me right to my personal essay. Okay, so then when you're giving your speech or your narration over your slides, if you choose to do a hyperdoc, you can do this, and then you can easily go back and forth between the hyperdoc and your linked artifacts. Okay. And then if you want to insert like a picture right here, you just go to insert, maybe an image. You can search the web. So if you want to be a welder, for example, you can go welder. And you can insert this image here. And just hit insert. And then it puts the image in there, and then maybe this is going to be your next artifact. So maybe this is going to be your character speech. So character speech, and we can center it. And then you could save that video from Flipgrid, and you could link it here under character speech. And so maybe if your character was, for example, Robert Downing Jr., because I know Rayshawn did that one, I can go insert an image, search from web, and I'll do Robert Downing Jr. and we can add this one. He looks good in that one. So it's creating the image. If my internet will work. Anyway, you get the picture. So, and then you could even, then you could even link the picture. So if I go here and I right click it, you can actually add a link to the picture itself, and then that's going to link to either a video that you've created or one of your artifacts that you've created for this class. So it could be your rhetorical analysis essay, it could be any of the 5 artifacts that you've chosen. And then here in the center one, maybe you want to add a picture of you. So I know I have my gallery on my phone linked to my personal Google account so that my pictures don't get lost. And so you can actually go and get pictures of you and put it in the center and maybe say, this is me, or something like that. And that's how you create a Google Doc. For those of you who are wondering what modality I'm using to do the video with, I am using Screencastify. It is a Chrome add-on, so if you utilize Chrome, you should be able to use the Chrome add-on. So anyway, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I appreciate it. Thanks. Have a good day.